Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to download and install the BandLab app. So let's get started. So here we'll just open the google.com. So at here you have to go and here you have to search for the BandLabs. Just go to BandLabs. So if you are a Apple user or you are a other operating system user, you have to follow the same step with your local app store. Okay, so at here you have to go and at here you have to click on the install button. After clicking at here you can directly install the BandLabs in your phone. BandLabs in your phone. So you can just check for the authenticity at here and you can see some reviews also. So as you can see here, it has been installing and this is how to download. So when you will just click on install, then Play Store will or automatically like check the app and install it in your phone. So this is how to do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.